Yes. These days I'm so obsessed with plants and flowers, so I got this. I want these ones inside our house. Guys, this is what I am seeing outside. Sorry, Shadow. Sherry. This is... Hi guys, welcome back to Home and Life with Irene. If it's your first time here, welcome, and please subscribe and join our family here on YouTube. I'm back again. In this video I want to show you the full tour for our chicken house in the background, and also I'm going to be taking you around our home to see the updates. Lately I fell into love with plants and flowers so much, and gardening. And in my last video, guys, I showed you when I was planting some seedlings. So in today's video I want to show you the progress and you see how our home looks apart from the chicken house. But first, the main program for this video is to show you the full chicken house before we kick off with our project, because very soon I'll be having chicks in here. Very soon, I don't know when, but very soon, like a week and a half or two. Let's just wait. So guys, first of all, before I take you inside, I want to show you the flowers right here. I planted here. Shira, come and show them. So guys, I got these flowers. These, I don't know how they're called, but they look so nice to me. And I got the snake plant. This is known for repelling snakes. I don't want snakes in our kitchen house. All right. And also this side, all these sides, you can see that's all we have right here. Such a beautiful thing. Apart from the flowers outside, apart from the flowers and the kitchen space, we also have a veranda right here. It was given a slab to look good and also for us to sit. Okay guys, so come in guys, come in. We got this for security, 2 of them, and also right here inside we got 2 of them. Come. So now guys, this is how our chicken house looks like. This side you can see the roofing of the first floor or the ground floor, and also here. Today I have been doing a lot of round at home, and that is some of the round that I have done. The clothes I have washed. Yeah, we are inside, and this is it. Only this ground floor is going to be taking 250 birds. 250 birds, broilers, not layers, all that your purpose. We have this for our brooding lamp or bulb, and also we have another light here, guys. You can see. This side we have another bulb here. Our switch this side. Shade up. That is our ground floor, guys. So come this side. Come. Right here, guys, I have this. I have mint. This is peppermint, I guess. And also this side right here, I have this spearmint. I'm trying to see if I'll get some good thing out of this. I love that so much. And now guys, we are heading to the upper floor, but before we go there, I told you how these days I'm so obsessed with plants and flowers. So I got this. I don't even know how it is called. I got this. I thought it is so beautiful. I got this, and I also got this snake plant. I got this mainly to repel the snakes. And I get also the croton. And all this side, guys, you can see this is a new flower. And another one here, very new, another type of snake plant. And this one, I don't know how it is called. I got also this one. And up to this side, another snake plant here. So this is my collection. You can see all these are new this side. I'm also trying to plant this grass right here, this grass, to coexist or to mix up with the flowers when it grows up. I am heading to the upper floor, guys. Let's go. These are our stairs. The reason why these stairs are outside actually is because I don't want diseases to spread between these two buildings. I want, if these ones are sick, the chickens here down are sick, the other ones up are healthy. And if the other ones are sick, these ones would be contacted. These are our stairs to the upper floor. But before we go, guys, see, I have this. These are onions. I'll be showing you that. These are onions, and also these are onions, the bulb onions. And now I have this. This is mint. And another, not mint actually, it is rosemary. And also I have another rosemary right here. I got this as a gift from the flower shop yesterday when I was buying some flowers. I'm gonna be showing you that. So come guys, let's go. Let's go. And now I'm actually here, guys, and mind you, I fear heights so much. And I'm trying to talk to my engineer to come and put something right here and also here to guard, because I fear heights. That is why you have never seen this upper floor. You have never. I have just been showing you the outside part, but not inside, because I fear heights, guys. So come guys. So now, guys, this is our upper floor. It got this slab, but down, before they put this slab down, they put a chicken wire mesh. This one. Then after that, they powered this slab. So I want to show you around, guys, and show you what I'll be seeing this way. Oh my God! Should I bring the camera and I show? So, guys, outside when I'm up, this is what I'm seeing, and this is what I'm fearing. So that is why I want my engineer to come back and put something like a shield here. Yeah. So that is what I see. Now this side, here it is. This is the upper floor. It is also gonna be taking 250 broiler chickens. See? This is it. Right here I have these, the timbers and some other items which I want the engineer to use to put for mesh shield the other side. And this side, this is what I am seeing outside. This is our home, guys, and this is the outside. Shani, Shadraka. Guys, this is what I am seeing outside. Sorry, Shadu. Sherry. This is it, guys. This is the upper floor. I am coming out, guys. I am coming out. Jesus. Shadow, bye Nana. Oh. Now I'm back from the upper floor. I thank God for all the blessings. I thank God for His many blessings towards me and my children. Oh God.
And this time around, I'm not cheating. What?
So guys, come and see the garden. I want to show you the progress on our garden. It is actually still a seed bed. I want to turn the camera and show you what we have here. You remember when we planted this 2 weeks ago? Now it is time to show you the progress, guys. Shall I bring it? So now guys, we have here our carrots. Our carrots are right here. And these are bitter eggplants. We have cabbages over here. And here we have green pepper. Yeah, we have our green pepper right here. And here we have our dodo. So now guys, here we have dodo, a booger, amaranth. I think it is called amaranth in science. Some other carrots here. Some other plants, I planted them later. I didn't show you that. And we have our other carrots here. Carrots have loved us so much. We have spinach over here. This is our spinach, and we have skuma week right here, and our onions have started coming out. So this is how our garden looks for now. This garden, we haven't completed it yet. We still need some more soil and some chicken manure. I also got some other plants, guys. I told you that I got obsessed with plants and flowers. I love them, and they remind me of my childhood, the good things I remember about my childhood. Flowers, we had so much beautiful flowers at home when I was still young, so I think I'm bringing out that childhood in me right now. So I got these flowers right here. I have this one. The one who sold this to me told me this one is called Coleus. Yeah. And I got this one, the spider plant. I got actually these two. I want to keep these ones inside our house, but I'm still figuring out how to get the flower pots, the hanging one. And I also got this flower. This is called peace lily, according to the gardener. This is called peace lily. I got one, but it has some other babies right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have over 6 babies on this peace lily, and also it has some flower. I'll need to do something about this. And I also got this. This is actually called Moses in a cradle. You see how I'm obsessed with the flowers. I know even their names. So guys, this is my correction. This is my correction. My correction this side. Remember I showed you the other side, but for this side, this is my correction. And I have these ones. I have had these ones for some long time. I'm trying to beautify them in any possible way I can. I put these aggregate stones. I want this one inside. So guys, all this correction I got for plants, I want these ones inside our house. I want them inside. I'm trying to figure out how best I can get the flower pots. This one, spider plant, and the peace lily, and this one, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video from the beginning up to the end. I appreciate you so much for your time and for the life and for the love. And for those who have subscribed today, thank you so much. For the people who have stayed here for the longest time, I appreciate you so much. And to that one person who saw something in me and then went an extra mile to bless me, thank you so much, Mama. I'll forever be grateful. All this is because of you, and I have 1,000 reasons to thank you. That is the progress at home, guys. Just wait for another video of some other updates because we really have a lot to share. Bye bye for now. See you in another one.